Hi Vivek, thanks
Hi.
for attending PMP training at Armadillo Consultants. How is your overall experience with the training?
It's fantastic. So, I mean, it was really good opportunity to be here and talk to Hari and brush up the project management concept, learn new things, and it was fantastic
It is
experience.
not audible.
Okay. I'm saying like it is fantastic experience.
So what kind of learnings from this training will you be able to apply in your job?
Um, yeah, this is a huge, framework, and by huge I mean it is really detailed in every aspect of project management, and this training gave us uh, uh, a really good overview of introduced to a lot of other unknown areas of project management. It cleared some of the misconceptions. We got some direction to where we should look in the PMBOK guide to relearn things.
So now are you confidence on, have you got confidence on the PMP concepts?
Yeah, certainly. Still there is a long. Uh, I would say, huge effort required in terms of grasping all the concepts and be really prepared. But yeah, so now I know that PMBOK is something that I can go ahead and grasp it.
So how will this training help you in achieving PMP?
I would say that uh, yeah, we attended this training for uh, preparing for PMP, but if you ask me, it's not really preparation for PMP. It's like getting introduced to PMBOK, this framework, and the ethics and general processes and a lot of other things. So I would say uh, PMP preparation, yeah, certainly we can, with Hari's guidance and extended help, we can do that. I'm pretty sure about it. But in addition to that, I would say there is a lot more that we can apply, and learn further and apply back in our at work.
Will you recommend this training to your friends or
Yeah,
colleagues?
certainly.
Why will you recommend?
So this my experience, as I said in the beginning. It's fantastic. There are a lot of learnings. Though if somebody wants to get dive into this PMBOK thing, uh, of course, most of the times PMP certification is the target for people. But they can come to this training, and it's organized really good, really well in terms of content, in terms of the flow, and in general, the place and other helps and all.
So, what kind of guidance or motivation you want to give for PMP aspirants?
Uh, I don't know if I should be giving the guidance or motivation to PMP aspirants. It's more of uh, inner uh, voice or eager why you want to be a really good project management professional, and yeah, so I would recommend PMI's PMP certification. PMBOK guide is really great thing to follow, and if you want to follow that, you should come to the trainings and do the PMP certification. PMP certification is not something that you can go and just get it. So you need to prepare, understand that the whole book and this Bible.
When are you planning to take up the exam?
My plan is to do this in the month of August, because I am going to get good time in this month to prepare for this exam. So yeah, my target is 15th August. Is like mid of the August. I'll be doing that.
How was the overall experience with the trainer Hari Krishna?
It is good. I've been talking about him during my this interview. It's good. Fantastic. Yeah.
And thanks a lot, Vivek, and all the best for your PMB exam.
Thank you. Thanks to you, Hari, and Armadillo. It's great to be associated